The Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG sale is set to headline December's Jordan releases, following a packed November lineup. This upcoming colorway stands out with its unique elephant print swoosh, a clear nod to the iconic Air Jordan 3's heritage. Two rich tones of off-white dominate the upper and midsole, delivering a clean and modern aesthetic, while fire red accents energize the outsole and highlight the exposed heel stitching, where the swoosh splits into two for added visual interest. The pair also features an exposed foam tongue and subtle scaly textures around the collar, giving the sneaker a premium, vintage-inspired finish. Updated official images confirm that the Air Jordan 1 High sale, also called the Elephant Swoosh, will release on December 1st in full family sizing, with men's pairs priced at $185. With its mix of classic storytelling, elevated textures, and trending neutral tones, this drop is expected to be one of the most anticipated AJ1 releases of the holiday season.